Hello everybody, today we'll show you how to develop machine learning applications from the browser with Slide platform. For this tutorial, we're going to build an image classifier. Let's go. What you can see here are the different versions of our model. You can actually make different versions and test different models or different data and do some quick experimentation. You can see the status of your model, and we're all going to open our editor. Show you how really easy it is to go from training your data, test it, deploy it, and integrate it into your application. The first step you need to do is to load your data. I already load my data. I have it here. I have my files. After that, you need to define a training method for the logic for the training itself. You load the data, transform your data, get it right for your model, define your model, and define the typical configurations for training, your training loop, etc. What you need here, you need to deploy the train model. To train your model, just click train, wait for your environment to load. Once your environment load, you can see that your model is training. On the left, you see the environment section where Slide provides to you with some default libraries, and you can install your own libraries. For this tutorial, we're going to stop the training. Once your training is done, you need to package your model to get it ready for inference. Once it's packaged, we need to go to the handler section where we will define our inputs and outputs of our application, of our model. In this method, we just process our inputs for our model and process our outputs. To see how our model behaves, we can use the training utility on the left. We can see here the different version. We will use this one. We're going to see how the behavior of our model is. I'm going to upload an image to show you. Click an image, the image is loaded. I click submit to call my model, do inference on my model. Boom. Inference complete. We can see the prediction here that were defined from the handler method. Once we decide that this is the right model, we can just click deploy here, and you can choose between these different versions, and that's it. You click deploy. Okay, the Slide will handle for you all the infrastructure, the API, for you to go from training, testing, to deploy your applications really easy. We will see our deployment. And here is the monitoring part, where you can see how many times is called your API, the errors, the inference time, etc. If you want to integrate it into your application, just click integrate, and with a Python SDK, you can integrate it into your own applications. So call your inputs, and that's it. That's how you go from training your model to an API really easy with Slide. Thank you.